All right. Here we are with the new up close and personal videos to show the highlights of the shoes. Here we have Crockett Jones in the Cavendish II model in the beautiful brown. Sorry, I don't know exactly the name of that brown, but it's a lovely brown. All right, so let's take a look at the details of the Cavendish. So the Cavendish is an apron stitched tassel loafer, as you can see here. Now, I could be wrong, but from the looks of this is a machine stitched apron. It doesn't look pulled by hand, but this is common of a Benchgrade standard. The last is a 325 last, which is a nice classic round. Nothing too round, but yet not elongated. Very easy to wear, very classic, very nice shape. So here we go. In the Benchgrade lines, you always have what is called a straight waist, which is where these corners are edged as opposed to rounded. So in Benchgrade you have straight waists, and this is what Crockett Jones has in their Benchgrade line. Straight waist on both the inner and outer waist. Same for a Benchgrade shoe is a open channel sole. This is where you can see the sole stitch that is from the welt to the sole, stitched through to create the dual, well, one of the bonds of the dual bond of Goodyear welted. And you are able to see, so they just cut directly into that sole, creating an open channel as opposed to a closed channel, which we will see in another video. So here we go with the up close and personal details of a Crockett Jones Benchgrade Cavendish II. Very beautiful leather. I believe they use a lot of French calfskin, and as you can see, it's very beautiful with no flaws, well cut leather. So again, the Crockett Jones Cavendish, up close and personal. Nice blind sole stitch there, very clean. The one thing you can say is you cannot fault Crockett. They make a very clean, well-made, classic, beautiful shoe. The 325 last. There you go. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this up close and personal video. I'm gonna do a lot more of these. Here we go, Crockett Jones. Make sure you check them out. Great loafer. Take care. Bye.